What's up, my Looney people? Back again with another react video. And today we're going to be reacting to Fidget Spinners was anime. This was a request video. I'm here with my boy X.
What's going on, people?
Yeah, the original link to this video will be in the description below. And just hop right into this.
Hey, bozo! Are you ready for my stylish moves? My spinner's razor sharp!
Japanese-ish. He flipped the fuck out of
500
that
spins
bitch.
a minute!
Niggas actually got a referee.
It's stiff ass crowd.
1,000 SPM! Impossible.
Bro. Hey, you see how this nigga was using his phone though?
See, that's the spinner I want. These niggas, bruh.
He's the perfect spinner.
He the perfect
Heartless.
Heartless.
I paid a lot.
Why you got on the bulletproof vest though?
The grand prize.
Take the grand prize, head
Ash from
I
Pokemon.
sacrificed a lot to get here. Now,
Crossover.
I have this figured out. This competition's all about speed. And I've been practicing.
What the fuck?
Took him 7 days to learn that shit.
What? Why is the crowd booing? Dabbing. It's not cool anymore.
Man, fuck what you talking about. Dad.
Standing between me and $100 in prize money.
Bro,
He
100
doesn't stand a
bucks.
chance.
This on my man lost his fingers for 100 bucks. That nigga like he about to go some big shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Darkness.
He's lighting the crowd on fire. If I want to win, I'm gonna need to focus.
Focus. Ooh shit.
It all started 2 years
Oh my
Flashback.
after.
This is true anime, bruh.
Flashback.
This is true anime,
Look at that
bruh.
shit. Look at his legs.
They sit together
This nigga looks sad as hell.
again.
But it's not even him.
Exactly $100 though.
Buy him some new bones.
Some new bones.
Nigga gotta get some new knees.
That's spin. I've seen it before.
Oh my god. So he the one who ran his nigga friend eating McDonald's fries though.
This is the old Dragon Ball Z. This would be like 8 episodes long.
The one who ruined your brother's life.
No, he know the truth. He never
It was
talk.
you!
You mad as
There's no
hell.
way I can win.
So these niggas like
Not with this.
communicating with their mom, bruh.
Right!
So cause these niggas never
Let's
say
open now and
shit.
maybe promise to destroy it. I'm gonna have to break
What kind
that
of drugs you
promise.
think those is?
These
said that
sacrifices
fly?
could drive me insane.
That fly came out of nowhere.
It's my only shot at redemption.
Hey, this will be a real thing, bruh.
It could!
Little brother, this is for you!
I can't get a measure on it!
You got that
It's
sauce.
over 9,000!
Oh shit, nigga. Silver and dragon and
We have a new champion!
Hold on, little brother. I'm getting you some new bones!
shit. Japanese song playing.
That was that, man. That was low key. If this was like a real anime show, that whole sequence right there would have been like 4 seasons, bruh. Like this video,
Comment,
go
subscribe,
ahead. Oh,
leave a like. If there's any more videos that you guys want us to reenact to, maybe if you want me back, comment. We can make it happen.
don't forget, we ain't crazy, baby. We Looney.
We Looney.